Dear students, welcome to this module. So this module is prepared with the information of complete conceptual aspects of the term creativity. So in this module, you will understand the basic, the concept, definition of the term creativity. So with that, the learning objective of this module is to understand the basic, the concept of this, the word and nomenclature, the creativity. Let us just look at why creativity. If you just look at the Richards, Florida, creativity has become the most highly priced commodity in our economy. The human creativity is the ultimate economic resource. So this is what Richard, the Florida, felt, because in the present, the competitive world, business is all about how best a business can show its competitive advantage. The competitive advantage is comes from the people, how they do things differently with creativity and add value to their business resources. In that context, so the creativity is now no, very much required for any business organizations. So that is closely related to the human thought process and human thinking. So the result of the creativity is the optimal experience called flow, making our lives more interesting and productive. Our future is now closely tied to human creativity. That is what Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi felt about relevance of creativity in the present context. So industry and then business leaders consider the creativity a top quality of graduating engineering student. So it is something related to the technical aspect, and then how the methods and then mechanisms and activities while the transforming resources into the usable the products and services. How best you can just do the things something differently to add value. So that is the main relevance of creativity. So in that context, you can see that why the creativity is important. So all business sectors seeks novelty in the sense, no, so they want to do something the better than their competitors. So this is something related to consumer products, and it is something related to media and then fashion and then travel. So even seemingly the conventional the sectors responds to novelty, that is medicine, and then seeks new formalities and then existing drugs. So always we want to see the new thing and better than the earlier. So that comes out of the creativity. So note that the some novelty may be the better example, better medicine, or some is simply a response to the desire of something new, that is the fashion. So because there is no end for fashion. Whatever that today we have in the market, tomorrow that is outdated and new thing is coming out. The new product or new the service, the new no, newness comes in the market when there is a creativity with the people who are actually dealing with the business. So, a continual the drive for novel developments suggests that the creative thinking is the key to success of any business in the present context. So, in this way, you can see that the creativity is the ability to bring something into existence, so that was not there before, and from a possibility in the future. You can see, so whatever that we are bringing out new thing out of creativity, so that is going to replace the old things, or re-engineer or renovate, reorient the existing old practices and old the products, because of the creativity. So that happens with the individual who are actually dealing with operations and then activities of the business. So it is generated from our minds, our inner domain or inner thought process, inner being of an individual. So this is all about the creativity. If you just see that the creativity, who can be the creative or creator. So creativity is not just for artists or musicians or writers or designers. We are all creative, but the people who are known for it have spent time and cultivating it, so failing at it and working at it. So you can see that the creativity is there with every individual. It is not a scientist, it is not a doctor, it is not something a musician, and the creativity is there with even with the even farmer who is actually cultivating land. You can see that there are so many innovations and then creative ideas and thoughts, because you can see that human evolution and from different fields and different dimensions. So everything is now emerging, and then you can see the progress in human life and the human being evolution process because of creative mind and adding new things and then enhancing the existing things into further refinement and refined way of doing things. So that is the way you can see that every individual is creative and then using creativity in day-to-day activities. So from that context, you can see that Webster's the dictionary, it shows that artistic or intellectual inventiveness, the creativity involves the generations of new ideas and bringing into existence something new. So this is what is the creativity as far as the dictionary is concerned. So then you can see that Webster's dictionary again, you can see the creativity involves the generation of new ideas and bringing into existing something new. So in that way, you can see that the creativity is ultimately the ability to transcend traditional ideas, rules, patterns, relationships, or the like, and to create the meaningful new ideas and forms and methods and the interpretation of etc. Originality, the progressiveness, or imaginary. So all these are related to the creativity and creative activity and creative thought process of an individual. So with this, I hope you understood the concept of creativity from this module. So let me stop here. So thank you very much, and looking forward to meet you in the coming video 33.